Is he looking?
It's like a cone head.
Baby's first fourth.
It's gonna happen.
What? They stopped making those, I think, huh? The Final Destination movies? I think they stopped
I hope so.
making them. Because I haven't seen...
Turn it.
Oh.
What? I hope they stop making them. Bunch and I went and saw the last one in theater. The lady falls off the bridge and lands on a fucking boat.
I will win the clothes. I was debating it out. Looking at that.
Oh, I know.
I feel like Cloman would put himself in a position to die first.
Nicole would be like the guy that's like, I'm gonna live, and he gets his head chopped off in like an elevator. That sure is insane. Come on, Buckeye. There's two of them.
Is he looking? Hi. What are you guys looking at? Is that Coleman?
Yeah.
He looks pretty pimpin' actually. There we go, we're getting some fireworks going.
Did you see that electric dance concert
Bless you!
in Vegas that did the fireworks? Ridiculous.
Can you shine your light on the phone again? On him? I wanted to point it down and be like, baby's first fourth. Wait, like use your flashlight that you have on your phone.
I don't have a flashlight.
You don't have that on your phone?
Uh-uh.
When you get-
I'll pull up the light.
Hi, baby panda. Hi, baby's first fourth. Hi, baby. Thanks, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you had a Samsung.
I do, but I don't have the flashlight app.
It's not an app. You just scroll down and then it enables. Here,
You do what?
come here.
See? I don't have a flashlight.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you broke it. Do
That's weird.
I?
Because this, see, you should have that.
Never put one on there.
It comes with a phone.
Really?
Yeah. I can't take it off.
You're stuck with it.
Yes, basically. I'm surprised you don't have a Twitter. I feel like you'd get a lot of entertainment off of Twitter.
I read Reddit about Twitter.
You what?
I read some of the Reddit posts about Twitter. That's always fun.
I think I used to have Reddit.
I don't have a Reddit account. I just read through it.
Oh. Your Twitter automatically makes me follow like any of my friends on Facebook or anything, or through my contacts. And I was friends with Coleman on Facebook, and I follow Coleman, and his tweets are really weird.
Yeah, he's got like 10 different Twitters.
Well, I don't know if he has 10, but it's just super weird. There are a lot of like hippie statuses.
Yeah.
Thank God this isn't going on Facebook, because I'm friends with him on Facebook and we're talking. No, this is just a personal.
I thought he was supposed to move to Iceland.
That's so random. Iceland?
Well, that's where his family's from.
His mom was born there or whatever.
That's kind of cool, but random.
His mom's cool.
He's pretty good.
Like, you guys gonna watch porn in the front room? Walked off. I was like, yeah.
You guys watch that all together?
No, that's what she said though.
No,
She's
we were
like,
watching
I
like
got
a
stabbed.
demo.
What?
We watched some stupid thing.
Oh.
well, no, 'cause she walks in and there's like two teenagers, like a stereotypical horror movie.
Oh.
She's like, you guys are watching porn in the front room, right? Nope.
Like wearing a nightgown with a glass of water.
Yeah, that was
Idiot.
weird. She's like, you guys want a glass of wine? I'm like, what? Thanks for the bread and cheese. Retard. Can you open this? Best thing.
Do you like the fireworks? Do you like them?
You like
That was so funny.
I'll sit them up a little more.
you like that? Spray him. He's gonna try. It's just mad.
Joe, can you use your flashlight or whatever your phone? I can't find the spray bottle. Someone.
Behind the bunch.
Why?
Because he set it down somewhere.
Bro, can't find it.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
There you go. Here you go.
The way he reacts to it is so dang cool.
You want for the man?
He's gonna be a year. He's gonna be a year and 4 months next year. He's gonna be able to watch them for really.
Like Jimi Hendrix. Cool you off for the man.
Go.